Hello, welcome back to my channel. Lot for sale at Sitio Bato, Guyong, Santa Maria, Bulacan. 400 square meter, facing southeast. Yan, hanggang pa ganon. Tapos ang depth niya 20 meters. 20 by 20, 400. Yan. A few meters away from Santa Maria Medical Center of National Road, Guyong. Southeast po ang lot orientation. Ang frontage niya is 20 by 20. Yan. Ito maganda rin. Yan o. Paglabas doon, Guyong na po yun, National Road. Ito po yung property. Yan. Halos flat plan na siya. 400 square meter lot area. Frontage of 20 meters by 20. Ayan. Again. Ilang kilometers lang to? 17 minutes from same rin to ng ng sa kabila. 17 minutes from Bukawi and Lex. 6.6 kilometers. 21 minutes from Philippine Arena. 9.1 kilometers. And 15 minutes from Ezonar Zone, Bypass Santa Maria. 6.1 kilometers. Yan po. Two-way road po ito. Pwede ito, ganyang kalaking truck. Pasok po dito. So, what are you waiting for? 0933-813-7110.